Well, g'day everybody. I should have started filming this earlier, but I'm in the process of changing over the impeller in the main engine. And for those that are a little bit interested, this is what my engine looks like. This is the side of the engine, and the water pump is in a really difficult spot. This is underneath the sinks, and there's the water pump there, and the impeller goes in there, if you can see that there. Okay, this is probably a better view. It's a little bit of a wider view, and this is really difficult to get in here. I'm laid on the floor, got shit everywhere. There it is in there. So I've got to get the impeller inside there. I've just done a Google to find out which way it rotates, because I don't think it was rotated the right way last time. I don't think it's a major issue, but the other one was rotated in two different directions. So anyway, it was working. It's got a few cracks. It's been sitting in there for 3 years. If I'd known it was going to be away for so long, I would have taken it out, obviously. So, and this is how we access the front of the engine. I've got 4 different access points. So it's a 75 horsepower Yanmar, as you can see. It's actually a 55 horsepower with a turbo, which turns it into a 75 horsepower. Next job is I've got to change the fuel filters. I've got one there, and then one through to the back there, if you can see that. And I've got a side access door in the starboard cabin. Anyway, I'll put that in, and then we should be able to fire up, and hopefully she will fire up without any issues. Fingers crossed. Okay, we have a new impeller in there. I've skipped videoing me putting it in, but you can see the plates back on. Far out, that was a hassle getting it back in. That was a tight squeeze. You've got to rotate it the right way and push it in at the same time. And you can see this is a really confined area. So not the most enjoyable job, that's for sure. Anyway, it's done. Fuel filters now, although I might try and start it up just before I change the fuel filters. It might not be the right thing to do, but anyway, I'll confirm whether I did that or not in a little while. I might change them. I'm just thinking the initial flow through the fuel filters might be one way to go, so that I can get some of the, if there's any crap, get some of the main crap in that first little bit in the existing fuel filters, and then change it straight away. Anyway, I'll let you know what I did. Cool. Okay, I'm going to go and try and start it. What do you reckon? Is it going to start or not? Let's hope so. So I've got to climb. It's going to be challenging getting up these stairs because the stairs are up. I have to climb up here somehow. This is going to be... Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm okay. Okay, here we go. It's a bit of a mess up here. This is the truth. Alright, how's that? Can you hear that? I can't run it for too long because there's no water running through the engine. But anyway, woohoo! That confirms that it has started. How is that? Oh, you can't see me trying to get back into the boat, and it's far out. Not easy. Anyway, how good was that, eh? So, what happened was, because my batteries are cooked, they're no good in other words, I tried to start the engine on the house batteries because the starter battery is absolutely cactus. Anyway, it didn't work, so I've borrowed a battery, which I'm now going to buy off a guy that I've met, an AGM starter battery, and as you just heard, it started. First time. How cool. So that's a big relief. Next one is the generator. Hopefully that'll be the same thing. Hopefully that's not seized. So yeah, fantastic.